So guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Pahadi. Myself Anuj Semwal, and today I'm starting a new course that is Python programming language. As you know, this is my first video on Python. So here I will give a short intro of Python and the scope of Python. After that I will teach you how to download it and which editor should be perfect for you. So let's start the video. This is a short intro about Python. That Python is an interpreted high level and general purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It supports multi-programming and including structured, particular, procedural, also object-oriented and functional programming also. Python 2.0 was released in 2000 that have several features like list comparisons, a garbage collection system, but the creator Guido van Rossum was not satisfied with this language, so he upgraded 2.0 into Python 3.0, released in 2008. But there was a problem that is not completely backward compatible. This means we cannot run our Python 2's code from Python 3. And between these 8 years, many companies had worked with Python 2.0. Their data was saved in Python 2.0, then they have to migrate into 3.0. This was also a big problem because there was a vast of data, and because of not completely backward compatible, they have to return Python 2's library again for the Python 3.0. So the creator Guido van Rossum decided to continuously upgrade Python 3 and also the data of Python 2 to migrate into Python 3. So in 1 January 2020, a Python 2 was officially discontinued, and this is the reason why we have to read Python 3. So we will learn Python 3 in this course. After reading syntax and semantics, you will be confirmed that anyone can learn Python because Python is meant to be an easily readable language. It uses only English words like with the help of punctuations. It is different from other languages that does not uses curly brackets to delimits blocks and no semicolons after a statement, and it has fewer syntaxes and exceptions and special cases that we will learn in next videos. Here are some reasons why people like to work with Python. Because Python supports multiple programming paradigms, Python has large set of library and tools. And next is Python has a vast community support. Python is designed for better code readability, and the main is Python contains fewer line of codes. This means uh, why if you know about C and C++ or Java, then you will see here hello world program in C, C++ or Java. It takes 6 to 7 lines, while in Python it will take only one line. How it works we will see in next video. Now scope of the Python, that is with artificial intelligence AI, machine learning languages, and with general AI, with neural networks, and with big data analysis. It have some toolkits to for data analysis and with networking. If you want to read these, you can take a screenshot by pause the video. Now, there are some websites that are developed using Python. As you all know, YouTube that you have used a lot, Instagram and Flipkart, Uber. These are few websites that are created in uh, Python. So, so there are many organizations that uses Python to improve their productivity. that are NASA, Google, Walt Disney Feature Animation, Red Hat, Nokia, and Yahoo, IBM, SGI. So this was a short intro about Python 2 and Python 3. So now we are confirmed that we have to use Python 3. So guys, now I will show you how to download Python. So first you have to uh, go to this site www.python.org, then go to download, and here it is written that download Python the latest version 3.8.2. You have to click here and this will be download here. Now I have downloaded, so I will install this now. So run it, and then click here at Python 3.8 to path. Do not forget to click here. So then install now, and it is installing. Now I have installed the Python. If you want to check that Python is installed in your system or not, then you have to search cmd command prompt and type here python and enter. If you will see like this, then this means you have the Python is installed in your system. So now we will download Visual Studio Code. The website is code.visualstudio.com. I will mention all the website in my description, so you can easily download this. Download VS Code. Click here. After this, a window will pop up, and you can see here the VS Code is installing, and you have to download also Git Bash. I will give this website, and click here download 2.26.1 for Windows, and you will see that Git Bash is installing. Now VS Code has installed, so I will run it, and I'll accept the agreements. Next, create a desktop, and this also add to path requirement shall restart. Next, install. So VS Code will be installed. Now I will run Git Bash. So open it and run, then install, then next and next, yes, and simply next, 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 and after this the last, choose the last one where we have given us some warning, then next, 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 simply next, and install. Now our Git Bash will be installed. So guys, in my next video I will show you why we use VS Code and Git Bash, and how we can write a code with the help of these both software. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and subscribe my channel for getting the notification for next videos.